Good morning to all of you, dear students. Today we will discuss a new topic. Today we will discuss a new topic, season of retreating monsoon or autumn. So basically, wind move back from the mainland to Bay of Bengal. This is the season of retreating monsoons. It means when the monsoons back, the winds blow mainland to Bay of Bengal. यानी कि mainland से Bay of Bengal की ओर the winds blows, and this is season of retreating monsoon. The southern part of India, particularly Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, is receiving rainfall in this season. So when the winds blows to the mainland to Bay of Bengal, so basically that time Andhra Pradesh receives rainfall and Tamil Nadu as well. However, the climate is above the average weather condition which have been measured over many years. The climate of India has broadly been described as monsoon type. Monsoon is taken from the Arabic word mosim. So basically, देखो, there's a one word monsoon which is taken from the Arabic word mosim, okay, which means season. Due to India's location in the tropical region, most of the rain is brought by monsoon wind. So basically, the India is located in the tropical region, ठीक है, Tropic of Cancer. You know about the Tropic of Cancer. So this is uh, most of the rain brought by monsoon winds. Agriculture in India dependent on the rains. Good monsoon mean adequate rain and a beautiful crop. And the climate of a place is differ by its location. So climate here it is affected by location, altitude, distance from the sea, and relief. So in India there is a different kind of climate and a different type of area. Okay, so basically there are many major affected its location, altitude, distance from the sea, and relief. Therefore, we experience regional differences in the climate of India, Jaisalmer and Bikaner. So basically, देखो Jaisalmer and Bikaner, this is the desert area of the Rajasthan. It is very hot areas. While you will see in the freezing point in the coastal areas like Kargil and Jammu Kashmir, Leh Ladakh, this is the freezing or cold areas. And if you will see coastal areas like Mumbai, Kolkata, Tamil Nadu, so there is a moderate climate. So they are neither too hot nor too cold. So if you will go to the Tamil Nadu, Mumbai, and that coastal areas, Kolkata as well as, so you will feel the climate is moderate. Okay. Natural vegetation. What is the natural vegetation? When natural vegetation, it means which is come from nature. So we see variety of plants life in our surroundings. How nice it is to play in a field with green grasses. There are also small plants called bushes and shrubs, like cactus and flowering plants. So you know about the bushes and shrubs. Shrubs it means a little plants. ठीक है. So bushes like the cactus हैं, flowering plants हैं. तो ये सारी क्या हैं? Shrubs and bushes हैं. Besides, there are many tall trees, some with many branches and leaves like neem, mango, some which stand with few leaves such as palm. So basically, these different type of different kind of um, plants are in different part of the country. The grasses, shrubs, and trees which grow on their own without interference or help from human beings are called natural vegetation. So basically natural vegetation it means कि जो help करती है human beings को, ठीक है, and their own without interference or help from human beings, so that we call natural vegetation. And it is comes from nature. Do you wonder how these differ from each other? Different types of natural vegetation are dependent on different climate conditions, among which the amount of rainfall is very important. Okay. Why are forests necessary? So you know about the forest. The forest is very useful for us. They perform various functions. Plants release oxygen that we breathe and absorb carbon dioxide. So basically, forests are very necessary because of they release the oxygen and take the carbon dioxide. And human beings and animals also take oxygen and release carbon dioxide. So basically, forests are important for wood, fuel, furniture, food, medical plants are there, herbs like honey, gum. ठीक है, तो बेसिकली ये सारी चीज़ें फॉरेस्ट में मिलती हैं, तो इसलिए क्या है, फॉरेस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट है, यू नो अबाउट द फॉरेस्ट. ओके, नाउ वी विल सी. Wait for a minute, huh? Forests are the natural habitat of wildlife. Natural vegetation has been destroyed to a large extent because of the reckless cutting of trees. We should plant more trees and protect the existing ones and make people aware of the importance of tree. So basically, this is ki sustainable development we have to do, because of ki if we will cut all the forest and we use all the minerals, all the natural resources, so how the next generation will use it? So we have to save it, and we have to uh, reckless cutting of trees, uh, don't reckless cutting of trees, but we have कि only for our purpose. ठीक है, अब अपने पर्पज के लिए ही we should use these things. We can have special programs like one more show to involve more people in making earth our green. ठीक है. Wildlife. Forests are home to a variety of wildlife. There are thousands of species of animals and a large variety of reptiles, amphibians, mammals, birds, insects, and worms which dwell in the forest. So wildlife, as you know, there are many in our country. There are many wildlife sanctuaries as well as कि uh, wildlife more important, because wildlife जो diversity है, it saves the nature, and every animal has different work, uh, and different part of the con- contribute their to save our environment. So basically, tiger जो है वो national animal है, you know about it, found in various parts of the country. Gir forest in Gujarat is the home of Asiatic lions. Elephant and one horn rhinoceros, तो जिसमें एक सींग होती है, वो rhinoceros, you know about, roam in the forest of Assam. Elephant are also found in Kerala and Karnataka. So camels हैं, wild asses हैं, ठीक है, are found in the Great Indian deserts and the rain of Kutch respectively. So basically these animals, these different kind of animals you will see in a different part of the India. So if you will go to the साउथ साइड, सो यू विल सी के एलिफेंट है वहाँ पर ज़्यादा हैं, ठीक है, लाइक केरला और कर्नाटका. कैमल्स यू विल गो टू द वेस्ट साइड, राजस्थान वाली साइड, सो रैन ऑफ कच्छ एज वेल एज, सो वहाँ पर कैमल्स आपको और वायरलेसेस मिल जाएंगे, ठीक है. Besides these, many other animals are found in our country, such as monkey, wolf, jackal, nilgai, and cheetah. ठीक है. India is equally rich in bird life. The peacock is our national bird. Other common birds are parrot, pigeons, mayana, um, geese, bulbul, and ducks. So there are many different kind of birds. So there are several bird sanctuaries which have been created to give birds their natural habitat. दीज प्रोवाइड द बर्ड्स प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम हंटर्स. ठीक है, तो इसलिए जो बर्ड्स की जो सेंचुरी हैं वहाँ पर सारे बर्ड्स ही बर्ड्स हैं, ठीक है. इट मीन्स देयर आर मैनी एनिमल्स बट बर्ड सेंचुरी बिकॉज ऑफ देयर आर मैनी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ बर्ड्स स्पीसीज लिविंग देयर, तो इसलिए उसको प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया बनाया गया है. गॉट इट. देयर आर सेवरल हंड्रेड्स ऑफ स्पीसीज ऑफ स्नैक्स found in India, cobra and Curtis and important among them. Due to cutting of forests and hunting, several species of wildlife of India are declining rapidly. Many species have already become extinct. So basically, देखो, there are many species who are become extinct. It means they are very dangerous, or they are कि they are living a dangerous life because because a few animals are there left, which is very extinct, and in order to protect them, many national parks, sanctuaries, and biosphere reserves have been set up. The government have also started Project Tiger. तो जो government है, it has also started Project Tiger and Project Elephant to protect these animals. To Project Tiger or Project Elephant, it is started from the it is started by the government to protect these animals uh, make wildlife sanctuaries to specific areas to protect these animals where the people do not कि roaming बट कि वो वहाँ घूम सकते हैं बट बिना परमिशन के वो नहीं जा सकते हैं सो दीज एरियाज आर very protected areas. So basically this is you can also contribute in conserving wildlife. You can refuse to buy things made from parts of bodies of animals such as their bones, horns, fur, skins and feathers. So basically we can contribute to save these animals and we can कि awareness हम फैला सकते हैं to save the animals because these animals these कि जो बोल नहीं सकते animals we can save these for our betterment of our natural wildlife and natural vegetation as well as okay. So this is the end of the video and this is the end of the chapter. So please इस chapter को read करना and if you have any doubt so you can ask me the question. So goodbye, have a good day to all of you.